Hi, my name is Faratullah and he is Mr. Rashid from Bahawalpur and I am from Dera Ghazi Khan. Now it's time at 2:56 a.m. First of all, I will tell you
But
that
we are enjoy at that time
at that
because tomorrow, yesterday.
and I think we are best friends, brothers not by blood but by heart. That's why we are getting up too much early because Mr. Rashid will go to the home after living in Lahore after
Yeah,
6 months.
I leave Lahore tomorrow because I, I get I leave the Lahore. My exam is finished
Yes,
and
yes,
I went to the home.
yes.
So I think
As
in 1 week I will be come in Lahore.
okay,
And
we will pray for your best result. Inshallah, you will get highest mark.
if I get a 7 band, 6.5 band, I'm very happy. And when I went to Canada and England,
Mr. Rashid Ahmed Khan,
especially I went to Australia.
in which country do you want to live?
I want to, especially I want to live in, want to going to Canada.
Yeah,
But
Canada is a good country.
yeah, it's depend on your band. If you get 7 band, 6.5 band, then you easily went to Canada and Australia. If you get less than 5.5, more than 5, so you cannot go to Canada. You just go to England and in admission, you take in admission college or take in university.
Yeah.
So if you want to England, you want to Canada and Australia, you should take a 6.5 and 7 band.
Okay.
It's your
Wha-
on depend
What was
on.
what was the experience of your study in Lahore about IELTS? Because we hear in society that IELTS are too much tough, too much difficult. What was your experience?
Oh, it's interesting question. My first experience, I want first time came in Lahore and I live in Lahore. I observed that, and when I take a responsibility, especially take a responsibility in my home, I was not take a responsibility, and especially I make some recipes like cooking in my hostel, and I learn it in a hostel first time. When I was in my home, I not make recipes, and I didn't know I cannot went to in a kitchen. And secondly, I have no confidence in
Yes,
when
it is the
I read
bitter.
in other institute. But when
It
I came in Lahore and
yes.
learn.
It is a bitter truth that students who came from southern Punjab have no experience and no confidence in any subject in any at any stage, but when they came in Lahore they get too much experience, too much confidence. And at the last of my video I want to say that always work hard. Always work hard. Let's your success make the nice. I am saying to you, work hard in your life. Let's your success make the nice.
Good.
अपनी दुआओं में हमें याद रखो. My name is Farhatullah.